Hello everyone. Now you're probably wondering almost immediately, holy shit, he sounds different. Yeah, no, I'm gonna take a day to experiment because I got myself a Turtle Beach headset to make sure my sound quality isn't complete garbage. But I have another thing to say. I'm gonna take a break because I'm gonna try and just make sure that all my audio shit is just kind of superb for y'all. That and I'm thinking of making this my new picture because personally I like this. It looked bomb as fuck. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. I hope all of you have a nice day. Peace.